In this video, I'll show you how to create a dollar spend transaction promotion in the admin. With this promotion, you can set a trigger amount for a transaction total and then give a % off discount if this is met. Example, a customer can get a 30% off if their purchases reach $200. In this video, let's do a spend $200 and get 30% off. To create promotions, go to the menu, Concessions, and then Promotions. Click the Add button. Here, you will see two variations of this promo. For this video, let's choose dollar spend transaction percentage promotion type. Enter a name for the promotion. Select a promotion item from the dropdown. Make sure that you have created a promotion item before making a promotion, and then you can fill out the other fields as needed. Next, indicate a promotion duration. Leave this blank if you will run this promo indefinitely. Then, in Triggers and Rewards, you may set the price level if it applies only to specific members. Next, since we're doing a spend $200 get 30% off, let's add 200 as the minimum required transaction total here, and then add 30% in the discount field. You may also fill out the exempt section if you want to exclude certain items from this promotion. And lastly, if you want to give a value off instead of a % off, just select the dollar spend transaction amount in the promotion type dropdown. And that's how you create one example of a dollar spent on a transaction promotion. Given the flexibility of creating promotions in KRISP, you can create your own different combinations of trigger and rewards, whether simple or complex. Just reach out to us through our website if you want to schedule a demo, or visit our website in the description for more information.